Border update. Yan ay the story ni Barbie. Yan, nasa copy ulit si Barbie. Sa nakalagay, come for the copy, stay for the ambience. Yun, no? And shooting day ngayon ni Barbie for Beauty Empire. Kasama ang team Beauty Empire. And busy si Barbie. Ayun pa ngayon post. And on the set, sa Beauty Empire. Primetime series ni Barbie. Saka ito pa yung abangan sa post ng Sparko Gemini Artist Center. Get ready for the summer coolest PP drop with Borda along Pelic of SB19. Nasa May 17 na yan sa Ayala Mall Circuit Activity Center. Kasama ang Borda, sila Barbie at Baby. Sigurado maraming tao dyan. Ito pa yung event ni Barbie sa close-up. Sa World Trade Center. Sa post ng close-up, and doing the Kim Sun Ho smile trend and David Licao ko. May panguso ka eh. Hashtag for today kay David Licao for PBB. Hashtag PBB collab Ginoon David. Ay marami nanonood ngayon ng PBB dahil nandiyan si pambansang Ginoo David Licao. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with short reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.